Hey everybody, so this is Tanya from Farmer Always, and I was just washing the tractor. It's been so cold and so unable to wash it. It's been dusty for a long time, so I've been out washing, and Brian's like, he's never seen me so dirty. I got dirt everywhere. So my son Sean is going to start the pressure washer, and I'm going to wash the shredder a little bit also. So it's been a very dirty day. Check this out though, it looks better. It looks much better. So tires are somewhat clean. This is good. Got a bunch of that washed, and windows are pretty clean. Actually, there was a fire today. I was planning on washing this anyways. It was parked over here, and then the guys needed it, and it lit on fire. They were using it with an auger or a grain vac, and supposedly, I don't know exactly where the fire was, but it was in here. And so we're thinking that a wiring issue happened. Oh, Sean saw where the fire was.
It was in the back.
In there?
Right around that area.
Oh, okay. Because I could smell it. I can smell the smoke residue, but I never saw the fire itself. But yeah, in there somewhere. So I was cleaning a bunch of the dust off, and Brian was trying to see if you could see it smoking at all. Hopefully, well, fire's out, but hopefully it doesn't restart. We have the battery disconnected, or at least it was. It might be reconnected.
It is reconnected.
It's reconnected. So, but yeah, everything. I washed it like quite a few times, but it's kind of sprays back and forth, but it's much better than it was. Has to choke longer. So I ran out of gas earlier, so I got part of this clean, but it's pretty caked on. I want to get a little bit more cleaned up here, so caked on, but we'll get it cleaned off. Check out that. There's actually color on this thing. Alright, I have to put you down and I'm getting to work. Alright, so I was just doing this, and it's got such good color coming, and it's always, someone's like, oh, they're gonna clean something and let's see it happen, and then you don't get to see it. But you can see that it actually cleans really, like these little dark and light spots are from the wand. So it does do a good job. But you can see that it's kind of a satisfying thing to do, try to get it all cleaned up. This is just cold water. Check out the color come. Much nicer. Yeah, just cold water. This is just well water. So when it's all caked on, it comes off sometimes, it splits it, gets underneath it. One of my reasons for wanting to get this washed is the tires always gum up with hay and dust and twines, and when it's cold out it's really hard to get at, and I'd like to get these twines cut off. Now that I'll be able to get to them and see them and everything. Sean, he cleaned out the bunch of the fluff in the pasture today or yesterday, and I'm just doing this here today, so we'll be able to get that all cleaned up too. So I'm gonna put you guys down here shortly. My hose is kind of run out of space. I'll let you see this one though. This is nice and dirty. Hard with one hand, so I do have to set you guys down, but I'll try to show it to you clean. Oh yeah, here's my wand. Here's my hands. Jacket. So here is pretty clean shredder. I wasn't able to get in very well under this flap, but I did my best. And you can see there's some nice signage in there. Vortex 3000. Bale King. It's a very good machine. So this line here isn't as bright as the other side, but a little bit of silicone needs to get redone. Yeah, I can get at these twines and easily cut those off now. That'll be easy peasy. There's a little bit of twines, a little bit of hay and straw residue, but I did as much cleaning as I could. There's a bar down there I tried to clean, so now it's free, at least from clumps of dirt, and that's clean. So should be quite an improvement, and this should all come out on our first feeding of shredding tomorrow. Yeah, it's good. All these hoses are clean. I tried to wash these. There's still a little bit of gummed up goo on there, but not bad. So yeah, much better. You guys didn't want to see me at all, did you? My hands. Just a little bit dirty. So, yeah, lots of work, but it went good. Thanks for joining me.